Hello, dear viewers. Today we have an amazing topic for you. Teen Glow Up Essential Skincare Tips for Beginners. This video is packed with fantastic information for our young followers, aged 10 toward 18. So let's dive right in. Firstly, let's focus on how to protect your young skin. I'll be sharing simple steps to establish the foundation of your daily skincare routine. Keeping your skin clean, moisturized, and using sun protection are crucial steps on the path to a youthful and healthy complexion. Remember, beauty comes from within. Love yourself and always keep your inner beauty in the spotlight. Being beautiful starts with feeling good about yourself. Now, let's transition to practical and easily applicable skincare tips. Are you dealing with acne issues, or do you have dry skin? I'll help you overcome these problems with personalized solutions. During my teenage years, I also faced skin issues, and that's why I want to share my experiences with you on this matter. Remember, everyone is unique on their beauty journey. Now, as we reach the conclusion of today's journey to enhance your teen glow, remember that skincare is not just about maintaining a radiant complexion. It's a form of self-care, a daily ritual where you nurture the unique canvas that is your skin. Embrace every step of your skincare routine as an opportunity to pamper yourself, to show gratitude to your body, and to celebrate the journey of self-discovery. You're not just investing in the health of your skin, you're investing in the love and care you deserve. And here's a little secret. True beauty transcends the surface. It's about the confidence that radiates from within, the kindness that graces your smile, and the self-love that shines through your eyes. You are a masterpiece in the making, and each day is a brushstroke crafting the magnificent artwork that is you. Thank you, dear viewers, for tuning in to watch this fantastic video. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm eagerly looking forward to your comments. That's it. Until the next video, take care and stay healthy.